Whilst many of the claims about the habitability of planets can be greatly exaggerated by people, it does not mean all the claims are false. Today, we will look at 4 exoplanets found that looks like our own Earth and might even be habitable. 4. Kepler 452b. Kepler 452b was discovered in 2015 and was the first potentially Earth-like planet orbiting in the habitable zone of a star like our Sun. The planet's radius is 1.6 times that of the Earth, and it takes 385 days to orbit its star. Kepler 452b has an Earth similarity index of 0.83 and is 1,400 light-years away from the Earth. The star of Kepler 452b is a faint star. The mass of Kepler 452b has been predicted to be at least 5 times that of the Earth, and the surface temperature is estimated to be between -20 degrees Celsius and +10 degrees Celsius. 3. Kepler 442b. Kepler 442b is a planet 1.3 times the size of the Earth, also discovered in 2015. Kepler 442b has an Earth similarity index of 0.84. It is orbiting a star cooler than our Sun, about 1,100 light-years away. Its orbital period of 112 days places it in its star's habitable zone, but with a surface temperature that could be as low as -40 degrees Celsius. The mass of Kepler 442b is not known, but assuming it has a rocky composition, it may only be 2.3 times the mass of the Earth. 2. Gliese 667cc. Gliese 667cc has an Earth similarity index of 0.85 and was discovered in 2011 orbiting a red dwarf in the Gliese 667 triple star system, just 24 light-years away. It was found by the radial velocity method, which is a measure of the small movement a star makes as it responds to the gravitational tug of the planet. The planet's mass has been estimated to be 3.8 times the Earth's. With an orbital period of 28 days, it sits in the habitable zone of this cool star, with a possible surface temperature of around 5 degrees Celsius. 1. Kepler 438b. Kepler 438b, with an Earth similarity index of 0.88, has the highest Earth similarity index of any exoplanet known. Discovered in 2015 around a red dwarf star significantly smaller and cooler than our Sun, it has a radius only 12% larger than the Earth's. Kepler 438b orbits a star which is 470 light-years from Earth every 35 days. It is in a habitable zone in the region around its star, which is neither too hot nor too cold for orbiting planets to support liquid water on the surface. It was discovered by Kepler around faint stars. Kepler 438b's mass has not been measured, but if it has a rocky composition, its mass may only be 1.4 times that of the Earth's, with a surface temperature between 0 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. Unfortunately, it has recently been found that Kepler 438b's host star regularly sends out powerful flares of radiation, which may render the planet uninhabitable after all.